This is 0612 TV.
Welcome aboard.
Hello YouTube! Now I know my Wednesday video was kinda short and very much content free, so I actually did want to do a bonus video where I actually get to talk about, a watch face that I actually wanted to create. This video will turn out like this because I was actually looking through my old hard drive and well, I found some stuff from back when I did programming on a Palm OS device. So I'm actually shooting this using a program called Open Broadcaster. This is a program generally used for live streaming that I also intended to actually use to live stream gaming, though that didn't work out, so never mind. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to switch over to an overlay which will have both my face on it as well as the view of the device, or an emulation of the device running code I wrote in the past. So alright, let us just flip this over to screen capture. Hello. So this is the Open Broadcaster window, you can't ignore that. So what you're seeing here is a Palm OS Emulator. It is running an app called Plua, which is Lua for Palm. These are 3 pieces of code that I dug out from one of my old memo files from all the way back then. That was like maybe 10 years or so ago. Yeah, I began coding when I was quite young, don't judge me. So basically these clocks I called progress, and the reason why I called it that was because, well, it showed the progress of various aspects of time that included seconds, minutes, all the way up to the decade. So the first version of my program is called progress.lua. Let me just run this, and essentially that's what it looked like. The minute progress essentially is based on seconds, hour progress is based on minutes, day progress is based on hours. You can see it is 5 PM right now, so it's 17 out of 24. And so on and so forth. Week progress, month progress, year progress, and decade progress. If you're wondering what this has to do with the Pebble, well, nothing. I'm just talking about Watchfaces here. Anyway, let's move on. This is the second iteration of my program. This isn't very much. I just decided to use a progress bar instead of graphics. But really, what I wanted to talk about, and perhaps a candidate for a potential clock face, is actually this program here, which I call Progress Big. First thing you'll notice are the horrible flashing colors. Now let me just exit from that and just modify this little bit of code to actually prevent that from happening. So this is a simple function that returns a random number from 0 to 255. I'm going to make it return 200 each time. So when you run it, it's not as psychedelic looking. Now here's the deal. This is a potential watch face to me, simply because, well, it shows the progress of everything in a single circular kind of shape. You have your minute progress, in other words your seconds in the center, minutes, hours, and so on. And obviously all these circles start from the center and they sort of rotate outwards like that. So yeah, is this practical? No, probably not. This is quite decidedly unpractical. It's not easy to tell the time at all from this, but well, that's the main purpose of making this video. I just wanted to show you, one of my ideas, one of the things I could do for a potential clock face. Now I apologize for this setup. I know it's kind of weird. I know it's strange to see, the Open Broadcaster window over there, but unfortunately I just did this at short notice because I found this file and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So there you have it. That is some of the programs I wrote when I was far younger than I am today. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to share with you today. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna trudge through some of the code that I wrote. If I see something interesting, I know I had a lot of crazy ideas back in the day. Perhaps if I see something interesting, I will share this as a bonus video. Perhaps, a Friday video like this one is. But okay, enough rambling. I rambled enough on Wednesday. This video was meant to be supplementary ramble. So anyway, yes, that's all I have for you today. If you have any comments, queries, or suggestions, and you probably wouldn't because there isn't very much to comment about, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the official Twitter for this channel at twitter.com/0612TV. As always, I appreciate every like, favorite, and subscription you give me, and I shouldn't be showing you the posters because copyright. It's a little bit late to do that, seeing as that I've already finished the video. But until next time, you're watching 0612TV.